What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With The Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back for another Vlogmas video. In this one, I will be building the dream house, dollhouse scenario right behind me. And I must say, this happens to be the hardest, and I do mean the hardest, wood building project that I have done thus far. And the crazy thing is, it came with instructions, it came with all the tools necessary, and it also came with everything to assemble this here situation. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With The Joneses. 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 But I must say, it is the hardest thing. So make sure you stick to the end, because you get to figure out and find out why it was the hardest thing. You also get to see Rain's reaction to getting this on Christmas Day. And yeah, you'll get to see why I'm saying this is the hardest build that I've done. Okay? Brace yourself. It took me over 3 hours. Exactly. Alright, so let me head you all out. Part number 4 is in the tub. Part number 4 is in the tub. Now I have everything laid out from 1 all the way to like 60 something. Part 4 I was looking for is in the tub. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it all together. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are finished. I am so excited to see her reaction to it on Christmas Day.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! I got a Barbie dream house! Yay!
At the end of the day, you saw her reaction to it. Nonetheless, fathers, set aside 3 hours minimum to get this project done, because it is not for the faint at heart. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of work. If you all have any questions about which part goes where, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be sure to let you know. Of course, I didn't show everything because I don't want to bore you with it, but at the end of the day, I can help you with the important things. Again, make sure you lay everything out first. Like, do that to make your life so much better, and then from there just stack on one at a time. And make sure you have a nice, clean, open space to put everything together, because you will need it. Because these parts are big and it grows fast, right? So you start working on individual parts and then it just grows to putting it all together. So make sure you have the space to put it all together, because you will need it to get the job done. So with that being said, I love you all. Shouts out to all the woodworking fathers, people, great people putting these things together. I'm not gonna do it again. Oh no, no, no. This is the last time. But end of the day, anything for Ray Ray. Peace. Love you all. Ha ha ha.